Scout 3150, right, 360.
Scout 3150, turn right heading at 340.
Yeah, 340,
Structure 575, Aspen Airport at 9 o'clock, 17 miles.
Airport design, Structure 575.
Structure 575, clear visual approach, runway 15, line up on 5.
Clear visual 15, Structure 575.
Skywest 219 Alpha, turn left heading 250, enable to keep that stay close, and maintain 14000.
Aspen 250, enable direct stay close, and maintain 14000. Skywest 219 Alpha.
November 60 Tango, turn left heading 200, that's a figure 1. 200, that's a figure 1.
Yeah, one of our flight mates said that she has light wispy smoke and kind of an electrical smell during small distance. Curious, how far out are we on the approach here to get through in?
Scout 150, I'm going to about to get you in. I'm turning a basin just like 2 miles. Do you need any assistance?
At this time, no, Scout 3150, but yeah, we kind of need to start working on lanes here to go tomorrow.
Scout 3150, roger, turn left heading at 250, descend and maintain 15,000. Structure turn left heading 250.
Left 250, down to 15,000.
Scout 3150, reaching 15,000, reduce speed to 190.
Alright, reaching 15,000, reduce speed to 190, Scout
0708, proceed direct Blue Mesa.
Directly Blue Mesa, foothills 808.
November 60 Tango, turn right heading at 350, descend and maintain 16,000, altimeter 3001.
Right turn 350, descend and maintain 16,000 on 3001, following 60 Tango.
So it's 219 Alpha, contact tower.
Contact house, guys, 219 Alpha.
So 3150, descend and maintain 14,000 and reduce speed to 170.
Down to 14,000, slow to 170, Scout 3150.
Photo 808, contact number center 124.5 today.
24.5, foothills 808. Skywest 3150.
Scout 3150, go ahead.
Yeah, they've got light fumes in the first 3 rows at this point. So far, nothing else is happening. Once we get on the ground, is it possible that you guys can call ahead to the station and try and get us the spot cleared out so we can get parked quicker?
Scout 3150, affirmative. We will call your dispatch. We also have the airport standing by with the emergency services. When able, safe souls on board and fuel remaining.
We got 53 on board and currently 4,800 pounds. We'll call it about 2 hours or hour and a half of fuel.
Scout 3150, roger, and you're planning for the visual approach?
Yep, straight in visual, Skywest 3150.
Scout 3150, roger, flighting 230. You'll follow a regional jet on a 1-2 mile final.
Not a problem, Skywest 3150. We'd normally bug out the junction, but honestly, they're both equidistant at this point.
Scout 3150, understand. Scout 3150, the airport, 10 to 11 o'clock, 16 miles.
Inside, Skywest 3150.
Scout 3150, clear to visual approach, runway 15, and you can line up or not. It's at your discretion. You can bring it straight to the numbers if you need it.
Okay, cleared visual approach for 15, Scout 3150.
November 60, Tango fighting 330.
330, following 60 Tango.
And Scout 5475, just to be advised, it's going to be a little bit longer of a wait. 2 more inbounds, and the second one's going to be an emergency.
Roger, copy, Skywest 5475.
November 60 Tango, we're going to turn your base in about, probably about 8 or 9 miles. Aircraft we're following has possible smoke in the cabin. We're just going to give them some room in case they do need to evacuate on the runway.
Yeah, we're monitoring. That's what we're patient. Well, we're out of here when you're ready for it.
Scout 3150, contact tower.
Hold it, tower, Scout 3150. Tower, Scout 3150, visual 15.
Skywest 3150, you're up center, contact Aspen Tower.
Aspen Tower, Scout 3150, visual 15.
Scout 3150, Aspen Tower, number 2, following a regional jet, 5 miles ahead, wind 0104, runway 15, clear to land.
Runway 15, clear to land, Scout 3150.
R79, Aspen Tower, on frequency.
Aspen Tower, Op 7.
Op 7 Tower, the emergency aircraft is now on a 7-mile final. They're going to be the second regional jet to land. And I don't know if you got it in the recording, but it was fumes that they were getting in the first 3 rows reported.
Op 7 copies. Can we show the runway closed upon aircraft arrival?
Op 7 Wilco. Yes, 3115, just so you're aware, the emergency vehicles are on frequency if there's anything you need to tell them.
3150 Wilco, at this time we don't smell anything. We'll stop on the runway and make a call back to the FA, see what they're seeing. If we can, we'll taxi back under own power.
Yeah, 3150, roger.
Aspen Tower, R79er.
R79er, Tower, go ahead.
I'm requesting permission for runway 1533 as soon as this flight lands.
R79er, you can expect that. Hold short runway 33 at the OC for now. They're on about a 2.5-mile final.
Roger that.
R79er, if you could just read back, hold short runway 33 at the OC.
Roger, we are holding short at the AOC and waiting for this flight to land on a 2-mile final.
R79er, proceed on runway 33 from the AOC.
Roger, R79er, proceeding on runway 1533 from the AOC.
R79er, I'll show the runway closed at this time.
Roger, runway closed.
Any idea how long this is going to take, by chance?
I don't know at this time, but as soon as I know, I'll let you know.
That tower, Skywest 3150.
Yeah, 3150, go ahead.
Yeah, they say the fumes are dissipating. They turned the lights off as well to prevent any further electrical smoldering. At this time, we believe we can taxi back under own power to the gate.
Yeah, 3150, understood. Left turn Alpha 6, taxi to Atlantic Sea Alpha, remain this frequency.
Alpha 6 Alpha Commercial Ramp, Skywest 3150, thanks.
Aspen Tower, this is Op 7.
Op 7, Tower, go ahead.
Are you showing taxiway Alpha closed at this time as well?
Op 7 negative, just runway.
Can we close taxiway Alpha at this time?
Op 7, roger, taxiway Alpha closed.
Taxiway Alpha closed. Aspen Tower, Op 6 holding short at the AOC, would like access for a runway check after this flight.
Op 6, that's the Tower, proceed on runway 33 at the AOC.
Proceed on 33 from the AOC, Op 6.
Tower, Skywest 3150, just for internal company reporting, you guys did consider us an emergency aircraft?
Yeah, 3150 affirmative, the approach controller called the emergency for you guys.
Yep, not a problem. Thank you, Skywest 3150.